Want to make YouTube videos without ever showing your face? In this video, I'll show you how to build a faceless YouTube channel using AI, from idea to income. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding in popularity. With AI tools, you don't need to be on camera, hire editors, or even record your own voice. The most profitable faceless niches in 2025 include finance, tech reviews, health and wellness, motivation, and storytelling. Choose a niche you're curious about and that people search for regularly. Use tools like Google Trends, VidIQ, and Answer the Public to discover what people are actively searching for. This helps you create high-demand content fast. You can write your script, or better yet, generate it with AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Claude can help you write full YouTube scripts in minutes. Just remember to fact-check and edit for clarity. Don't want to record your voice? Use AI voice generators like ElevenLabs, Murph.ai, or Play.ht to create ultra-realistic natural-sounding voiceovers in different tones, languages, and styles. For visuals, use Pictory or InVideo AI to convert your script into dynamic video content. Want an animated narrator? Synthesia allows you to create talking avatars to match your voiceover. Great videos need visuals. Add B-roll, royalty-free music, and text overlays to hold your audience's attention. Keep things fast-paced and visually engaging. Upload your videos consistently. Optimize titles, tags, and thumbnails for search. Tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ help you rank higher and attract more views. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program, or monetize earlier with affiliate links, sponsorships, and digital products. Many creators are earning $100, $500 a day from faceless channels with 30-60 videos live. Consistency plus SEO plus engaging content equals results. Don't rely solely on AI. Always fact-check your content. Don't steal clips from other creators. And never forget, quality beats quantity. You don't need a studio, gear, or even a mic. Just the right tools, a smart strategy, and consistency. Subscribe to Make Millions for more tutorials like this one.